Hello, my name's Brian from spiritiv.co.uk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly clean your beeswax wraps once they've been used. So we're going to take this cheese out of this wrap. I'm going to clean the wrap. It takes literally seconds. Okay, so this is the wrap I'm going to quickly clean. We've got a bowl of water here. So this is cool water with a few drops of dish soap. Now make sure the water is cool, because if it's hot you will lose your wax down the plug hole. That's no good. We want to keep our wraps nice for as long as we can. So all you need to do is dip the wrap in the water, take your cloth and basically just rub all over. And you need to do this on both sides. Turn it over. Once you've done that all over, take some cold water and just rinse the soap off. There's our wrap, all nice and clean, and we just need to hang it to dry.